Hello, and welcome to this video on functions in R. Functions are the workhorses of R, performing tasks from simple calculations to complex data manipulations. Parentheses after an object name signal that it's a function, for example after C or sum. Inside the parentheses, functions accept arguments, execute their action, and typically return a result. For an illustration, let's first load the dplyr package and inspect the help page of dplyr's pull function. At the console, run library dplyr and then $pull to open the R documentation. The help page shows a concise description of the pull function and its usage, listing each argument. Pull extracts a single column from a data set and returns it as a vector. Let's extract the I colors from the Star Wars data set and view the first 6 entries by running head, pull, Star Wars, bar equals I underscore color. As a result, you'll see a vector of I colors. In the usage section, arguments with defaults appear as arg equals value. Here, .data has no default, var defaults to -1, and name defaults to null. The ellipsis, ... indicates you can pass additional arguments. You can match arguments by name using the pattern, arg equals value. For example, head, pull, .data equals Star Wars, bar equals I underscore color, name equals name, specifies .data, overrides var, and sets the name argument equal to the name column of the Star Wars dataset. If you want to keep the default for an argument, you can simply omit it. Pull, .data equals Star Wars, bar equals I underscore color, yields the same result as explicitly specifying, name equals null. Arguments without defaults must be supplied. If you try pull, var equals I underscore color, name equals null, without .data, R throws an error because .data has no default. You can also match arguments by position. Pull, Star Wars, I underscore color, name, works because R matches the first argument to .data, the second to var, and the third to name. A common practice is to match the initial arguments by position and then name the rest. For example, head, pull, Star Wars, I underscore color, name equals name, uses position for .data and var, and matches the third argument by name. Long sequences of function calls can be hard to read. Consider the single line shown in the first code chunk. It runs, but it's hard to see which argument pertains to which function. Using the native pipe operator, consisting of a vertical bar and a right angle bracket, you can break the long sequence of function calls into smaller pieces. The resulting code improves readability because the order of the listed functions is the same as the order in which the functions are invoked. For example, the sample function is called before the sum function. You can write your own functions to encapsulate reusable logic. A function definition follows this pattern. First, specify a function name indicating what the function will do. Second, assign this name to an object generated by the function keyword. Third, specify the arguments in parentheses. You can specify default values using an equals sign. Fourth, the function body, wrapped in braces, can consist of any number of commands. For example, in the say_hello function defined below, name equals world by default, so say_hello greets the world when no argument is inside parentheses. Alternatively, you can run say_hello Alice to generate a personalized greeting for Alice. Functions can return values explicitly with the return function. If return is omitted, the last evaluated expression is returned automatically. Consequently, both versions of the shown increment function are equivalent. To recap, arguments can be matched by name, position, or a mix of both. Defaults are specified by the pattern arg equals default. The ellipsis allows extra arguments. The pipe operator can improve code readability. Function definitions need to adhere to the pattern shown here. The return function signals an early exit from the function body. When the return function is omitted, the last evaluated expression is returned. Although we will not need to write numerous functions in this course, they are a powerful feature to improve readability and reproducibility. Thanks for watching.